Hello world, Shelly here, and today I would like to talk about shrooms! Mushrooms in skincare. I'm seeing mushrooms all over the place right now. So, TikTok, my For You page has been like, shopping, TikTok shop, eligible for commission, TikTok shop, blah, 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 blah. And one of the things that keeps showing up, please go back to giving me regular content, TikTok, thank you. But one of the things that keeps showing up that I have not yet purchased, but probably will, are these mushroom gummies. That's ingesting your mushrooms. Now, mushrooms are very well known as having a ton of antioxidant properties, so you can fight off free radicals and the things that cause inflammation in your body. That's when you eat them, and there's all different varieties of mushrooms. I don't like eating actual mushrooms. I have texture issues, and they feel absolutely gross to me, so I don't really eat mushrooms themselves. But you might remember that one of the brands that I love for protein powders and for tea mix is Four Sigmatic. They're one of the first mushroom companies I had ever heard of, and that was several years ago. So I've been into Four Sigmatic for a very long time for protein shakes and I like chai tea. They have a chai that's really good. And it's all mushroom infused. So anyway, I've been seeing mushrooms all over the place. Then I got my Ipsy box. So this month's Ipsy for, what month is this? September. Oh my goodness. So I'm freshly back to school. My brain is like scrambled eggs. It's just, I don't even know what's going on. So I got my Ipsy box, right? So Ipsy, thank you. Ipsy sends me free of charge in PR as one of their Ipsy brand creators a sampling of things that come in the Glam Bag and the BoxyCharm, which replaces the Glam Bag Plus now that BoxyCharm and Ipsy have merged. And in it, there was this. This was in the BoxyCharm. Now, this is a collaboration with Origins, a skincare brand that I enjoy. Dr. Andrew Weil, I don't know who he is, but he collaborated with Origins to make the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. So my plan here is look up some information on some mushrooms. What? Are you licking my shirt? What is happening right now? Get ready for my makeup prep and application for the day, and then I'll show you what else came in my Ipsy box, and we'll call it a day. You cannot lick my shirt. Like, that's so gross. No, get that. Oh my goodness, you guys. Don't know what that's all about. So, we know that mushrooms are good for you ingested when you eat them, but are they any good topically? Is there any research on this? Or is this like just some kind of, hocus pocus? That's not the word I'm looking for. What is the word I'm looking for? Like a gimmick. Gimmicky. That's the word I was looking for. So I did a little Googling, and it turns out there is a pretty good amount of research on topical application of mushrooms, mushroom extracts, different kinds of mushrooms. Now, the kind of mushroom that is in this Origins toner is the reishi mushrooms. And in terms of the skin benefits, you have a lot of the same stuff that you get from eating them, such as the anti-inflammatory. I know you guys don't like when I lock the cats out because you like the cat cameos, but they drive me insane. They're so noisy. I'm trying to film a video. Okay, so anti-inflammatory properties you get. There's some antioxidant, fighting of free radicals, environmental damage. So that's like your pollution and your UV light and all the things that are kind of attacking our skin. You also get some benefits from topical application that you don't get from eating them. One of those is hydration, which I was looking through the ingredients on this, and I think it's going to make a really good sort of a Seven Skins kind of a toner, or they call it a lotion, but it's a very liquidy kind of a texture to it. So that is a plus. And topically applied, so the different, do you call them strains, varieties, species? I don't even know what. I'm not a foodie, and I'm also not, I don't know much about mushrooms. This is pretty new to me. whatever you would call the different kinds of mushrooms that exist, some of them are very well known already for different properties and impacts on skin when topically applied. I'm going to say this wrong. I need to look at the word. Kojic acid is one of the more well-known things that comes from shiitake mushrooms, and that is very well studied for lightening skin and pigmentation issues, dark spots. You see all my dark spots here? I could use some shiitake, please and thank you. So they're very useful for topical application of skincare. So I'm going to use this. I'm not going to do a full 7 skins. I usually do that at night. But I'm going to do a 3 skins to give myself some extra hydration because I did my tretinoin at night before last and I had a little peeling going on. And the faster I can rehydrate everything, the faster all that peeling goes away. Please get down, Ziva. She's about to jump on my vanity. We don't have room for that right now. So I'm going to shake this up because they do say there's natural extracts in here that can settle. So they recommend shaking it. I'm going to guess that it's sealed. Oh, no, it's not. There's just comes in the box. Okay. So there's no extra thing to remove. Now the kitten and Ziva are fighting. Let's check out. Yep, very, very water-like texture here. So if you haven't done 7 skins before, the idea is that you kind of apply. This is definitely fragrance. I smell natural things. You apply a layer, and I always put the excess on the backs of my hands, or if I'm naked, I go down my chest and my décolleté, and you go layer after layer, one after another after another. And if you're going to do a full 7 skins, the idea is that you keep layering until your skin can no longer absorb it. See, it's already gone, like it's already absorbed. And you keep going until it's fully absorbed and your skin can't take any more liquid. Now, when I'm super, super dry, I can get into 10, 11, 12, 13 layers. When my skin is well hydrated, I might end up at 4 or 5. And when I'm doing it in the morning, I usually just go for a 3-layer application. And that way, I'm getting a good amount of moisture in there, but I'm not gonna make it a mess when I go to put on serums and all that stuff. I also like padding for, you know, I don't know, blood flow, circulation. This one's got a nice little tacky grip to it, and I like that. Let's do one more skin. One more. And the idea is that you're not really waiting very long in between these. That's how you're gonna know when your skin is topped out. We're not gonna top out completely today. We're just going to do 3. 3 in the morning seems to be enough to hydrate me, give me a little extra boost of plumpness, which is another thing that this one claims to be good for. It's got hyaluronic acid and licorice as well in this particular lotion / toner. They say you can apply it with a cotton pad, you can apply it with fingertips. I like fingertips because then I don't lose any excess product into the cotton pad and I can put the excess other places where I need hydration. Ooh, dropping things. This is quite nice. I have not used this particular Origins product. I've used other Origins products before. There is one more thing in the Ipsy from Origins, and it is in the Glam Bag. So let's talk Ipsy a little bit here. Thank you, Ipsy. This is not sponsored. I don't get paid to make these videos. They send them to me in PR, and I do what I want with them. And this is what I want. I want to talk about mushrooms. This month's bag, this is the Glam Bag, is themed Find Your Groove. And you know I'm all about finding my groove. And the other thing I want to apply, because I already peeked inside, is from Origins. This I've actually purchased quite a few times in my life. It's one of the first skincare products that, like, prestige skincare type things that I ever purchased. It's the ginseng. It's been around forever. Where's Sherlock? Sherlock, I need your assistance. This, what is the fine print? The Energizing Gel Cream with caffeine and niacinamide. And this is one of those things, the only reason I stopped buying it really was because I had too many serums in my routine. Now that I'm a bit more minimalist, it actually works well to pop this in there. This one is really just kind of like a wake your skin up kind of thing. Caffeine can help blood flow. It can help stimulate that. And blood flow to the surface is good for healing purposes. It's also good for waking you up. And if you have dark circles under your eyes, blood flow is actually, you want to, caffeine can help restrict the ends of any leaky capillaries, and then that can decrease the redness that is appearing at, or in case of the under eyes, purple that appears at that level if that's what's causing your under eye circles. So there's lots of good reasons for caffeine in your skincare. I also, wow, love niacinamide. Next video that gets filmed, I'm going to get up and close that door. So let's put a little bit of this ginseng, and I'm going to put a little on each side here. And I like to use this on my cheeks, and I take just like the excess of what's left up under my eyes. I don't want full on, this isn't designed as an eye cream, but personally my eyes are okay with bringing this kind of a texture up under there. I'll bring a little up to here. Bring the blood flow up there. Plump up some of these lines. A little pat, little pat. This one smells nice too. Almost smells orangey, almost zesty kind of, like orange zest. Good stuff, good stuff. So, Ipsy Glam Bags. In the case of the Glam Bag, this one's $13 a month. You get 5 deluxe sample size products, and you get to pick one of them. So let me show you what else they sent me. This is not all of the options. This is just what came in mine. We've got a doll paint. This is a brown gel eyeliner. This is, I've never tried this brand, but I'm interested to try it on this new mop of hair that I've got going on. This is High Performance Hair Care. Lumiere, can't pronounce that. That's some other, looks French. Super Comb Prep and Protect. Then in here we've also got from China Bee. Not familiar with this brand. I believe we are talking a liquid lipstick right here. And this one I'm excited for. This is a brand that I've only known through Ipsy boxes. I've gotten several things from them. Beauty for Real. And this is a liquid eyeshadow, which I've been getting super back into liquid eyeshadows. Ever since those Profusion glitter toppers has gotten me back into the whole liquid, quick eyeshadow kind of thing, or like the jelly pots from ColourPop, or Merit has the new matte shadows in the little jar pots. They're just super quick, and I'm just really back into that as what's trending with me right now. So let me pop these back in my very cute Glam Bag. In the BoxyCharm this month, I'll show you what's in here. We have a Tarte Man-Eater. Now, the BoxyCharm full-size squirrel Tarte Man-Eater waterproof mascara. Finish my thought. BoxyCharm is the next step up, and it's $28 a month. Oopsie, something fell out. $28 per month. Ooh, liquid lipstick. Yes. This one is from Defiance Beauty. So, $28 a month, you get 5 full-size products, of which you get to pick 3 of them. And again, I don't get all of them. They just send me 5 random things. 5 random things that were part of the options. So we have a liquid lip. We have the Origins toner that I just used. We have the Phase Zero Santorini Quad Eyeshadow Palette. This is a neutral eyeshadow palette. I showed you the Tarte Man-Eater. What's the last thing in the box here? Is it the last thing? Yes. What is this? Ooh, Aceology Green Tea Mask. Another thing I love in my skincare. I need Sherlock. Oh, I guess at the age of, so what month are we in? September? I'm a month away from 49. So I guess I have to accept that I need readers more often than I like to admit. And, well, I don't like to admit it at all. 76% green tea. That's a good blend. Soybean extract, niacinamide, detoxifying. This looks like a lovely mask. My skin really enjoys green tea. So does my belly. I love eating. drinking green tea. I love me some matcha, love me some green tea. I love tea. So that is the other thing in the BoxyCharm this month. So yeah, what do you think about mushrooms? Do you like eating them? Do you take any kind of mushroom supplements like these mushroom gummies that I've been trying not to buy on TikTok? Or like the Four Sigmatic, the mushroom smoothies and protein shakes. Are you into mushrooms? How about skincare? Do you already use? Do you have any favorite mushroom products? Let us know in the comments down below, because I would love to try out some more stuff. There you have it. We are going to go put the rest of this face on and get going with my day. Thank you, Ipsy. I appreciate you. Thank you, you guys, because I bet you we're going to get some good information in these comments. You guys always... a lot of times, a lot of you will comment like, you've either, oh, you've saved me money, or oh, you made me spend money. You guys do the same thing to me. I just want to let you know. You give advice for things I should avoid, which is fantastic because I'm not going to waste my money then, especially when that comes from like multiple people saying the same thing. You turn me on to things that I end up purchasing and then loving. I mean, the like Mob Beauty, that was a recommendation from you guys. It's sitting right here because I wore it yesterday, and that was a good recommendation from you guys. So I mean, and even if I don't love something, recommend things that you love, because I'm just one person. Body chemistry, our skin, it's a fascinatingly challenging, different, unique thing for every single person. So I love putting out information there for the people that eventually figure out that they can identify as a skin twin to me, and then it's primarily good for that type of information. But everybody's experience, that lets you guys share your experiences too. Please share in the comments whenever you have an experience with something I'm talking about, because even if your experience is different from mine, other people watching this video are going to have experiences different from mine. And I think the more information we can gather all in one place just makes it easier for us all to find what works for us, while hopefully spending the least amount of unnecessary money on things that don't work. Anyway, that's a tangent. I'm going to go put the rest of my face on and do my day. Thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over mushrooms with me. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.